ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the mesmerizing world of video generation with ComfyUI? Prepare to be spellbound as we unlock the secrets to creating stunning animations and mind-bending visuals. In this video, you'll discover the art of multiprompting, learn to craft your own magical animations, and witness the astonishing speed of ComfyUI in action. First, to load a video loader, simply double-click on the empty space in the interface, type Load Video, and select your video file. You can also set the maximum frame count to 100 for a shorter video, which is ideal for the purpose of this tutorial. Next, we'll explore the essential elements that influence the prompt and help generate a stable character for your video. We'll use two pre-trained models, a character and a hobby or sweater. Both models are crucial for creating a well-balanced result. Experimenting with different combinations is encouraged. Now, let's move on to the check-in loader. Because we're working with AnimateDiff, choose the AnimateDiff option and work with the Dream Shaper model, which is excellent for getting a good starting point. We also recommend utilizing this VAA as it often yields exceptional results. To create a video that's consistent throughout, we need to manipulate the scale and weight of the images. Adjust these parameters to match the desired outcome, aiming for a 16:9 ratio. You can also preview the image at this point, although it's optional. Next, we'll add control nets to the process. Control nets continuously analyze input images, in this case the video frames, to understand the context and influence the final output. We recommend the Canny model for this. Now that all the necessary components are in place, it's time to connect them. Start by double-clicking an empty space and search for VAE-encoder to link the VAE model to the encoder, ensuring it captures all essential information. Since we're working with video input, it's essential to incorporate motion into the process. Keep in mind that the video will heavily influence the final output. Additionally, make sure to set the animated context options to determine how the model works with the input. Once these connections are established, you can load the model by double-clicking an empty space, connect the encoder with the model and the model with the AnimateDiff loader. To take it to the next level, add the motion loader, ensuring that all options are correctly configured and connected. At this point, everything on the AnimateDiff side should be in place. Now, let's work with the sampler. The sampler takes all the components and creates samples for the final output. Connect the encoder with the sampler and the model with the sampler. Everything should be in place to start generating. Lastly, add the prompt scheduler. This is where you define what you want the model to generate. You can either manually enter your prompts or look for inspiration in Civit AI. Remember that prompt formatting can be different for video generation compared to single images, the famous JSON format. For this video, I have prepared a prompt that contains the keywords of the LORAS models. Please keep them in mind when you generate your images. You can find the link to the workflow in the GitHub repo. It is very easy to use. Just drag and drop the image you want to animate. Ensure that you establish the correct links so that the final algorithm incorporates all the data processing weights. We are almost done. Make sure to review the node connections. The last steps are to choose the decoder, the save image module, and the video composition that are compatible with AnimateDiff. These components will determine the quality and speed of your image generation. Before you press Q prompt, make sure to review the node connections. It is important to have them all properly connected, otherwise it will not work. With everything properly connected and configured, you can press Q prompt and let the magic happen. It might take some time, but when it's done, you'll see the results. Wow, wow, wow. Check this out, guys. This is incredible. Look at how stable and smooth this video is. This is all thanks to AnimateDiff, a powerful tool that can turn any image into a realistic animation. You have to see it for yourself. Go to the GitHub repo and download it now. I'll leave the links in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more educational videos on our channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.